Hi, today we're going to practice multiplying whole numbers and decimals. So right here I have the steps to multiply whole numbers and decimals. Step number 1, multiply like normal. You just multiply. You don't worry about the decimals at first. Step number 2, count the decimal places in the factor. Right now, there's only going to be one factor that has decimals. Count the numbers behind it. Then move the decimal in the product. Remember, the product is the answer to the left, the number of decimal places in the factor. So we're going to practice that now. We'll start with a really easy one. 3 times 2/10. Well, first we multiply just like normal. So that is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we count decimal places. Well, there is one place behind this decimal. So that means we're going to put a decimal at the end of our whole number and move it one place to the left. So now our answer is 6/10. Now we have 10 times 51/100. Multiply just like normal. So we have 0, 1, put a 0 as the placeholder, 0, and 5. I'm going to add. That's going to equal 510. So now let's find the decimal places. See how many times we need to move our decimal. So we have 2 numbers after the decimal. So we have to move our decimal place that's at the end of our product, their whole number, move it 1, 2 places. Our answer is 5.1 or 5.10. It's the same value. The next problem is 367 times 23/100. So we just have to multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Now we do 2 times 7. Oh, wait, I got to put my placeholder. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry my 1. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now I add 1, 4, 4, 8. But am I done? I am not. I am not done because I have to move my decimal 2 places to the left. So I start at the end. 1, 2. My answer, I don't know why I put a 6. My answer is 84 41/100. Okay, I have 2 more, and for these, each one, I want you to pause the video and work on your own. Have 111 thousandths times 45. So go ahead and pause, work the problem on your own, and when you come back, watch me work it and see if you got it right. All right, so we multiply. We're going to have 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 1 is 5. Put my 0 for my placeholder. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 1 is 4. So I have 5, 9, 9, 4. Once I add those, and I need to see how many decimal places there are. Well, there are a few more in this one, or one more in this one. I have 3 decimal places. So I need to begin at the end of this number and move it 3 places to the left. So my final answer is 4 and 995 thousandths. And the last one, 29 times 2 hundredths. So go ahead and write that down and pause your video so you can practice on your own. And when you come back, you can see if you got it right. All right, 9 times 2 is 8. Carry your 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5. Put my 0 as a placeholder. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. I'm going to add them. 8, 5, 0. Now in answers, when you're multiplying by decimals, these zeros are important. So we're going to have to see how many places to move the decimal. I'm going to start at the end. And our number is 58 hundredths is the answer.